Hey, welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Cryptoblades skill token. And there's basically 5 steps you need to take in order to get the skill token. And I've made a video tutorial for each of these steps, and I will leave links below to everything in the description. So make sure you check out the description and you follow each and every step. You might already have MetaMask installed, you might already have the Binance Smart Chain, you might have an account on Binance, etc. So I will just show you the last step, how you can swap BNB into the skill token on ApeSwap or on PancakeSwap. We'll see what works best. So apeswap.finance seems to be the best place to swap BNB into the skill token. So you can see swap from BNB. This works for any currency, but I will just keep it on BNB for simplicity. Swap to select the token. So we will click select the token. And then we will search for skill, SKILL. And you can see skill, Cryptoblade skill token. I have 0, but I will just click on this. And then you can see swap from BNB, swap to skill. So just enter an amount that you want to spend in order to get the skill token. You will see how many skill tokens you will get. And then all you have to do is click swap and confirm swap. And then you can just confirm it inside your MetaMask. So you can see transactions submitted, and we will have to wait for just a couple of seconds. You can see the transaction is confirmed and my balance will get updated. You will also have to add this token to your MetaMask extension. We will see if I have it already. I didn't have the skill token inside my MetaMask account, so I will just add it from CoinGecko. You can see add to MetaMask right here. I will leave a link to it in the description as well, so you can just go to CoinGecko and add to MetaMask. And I get a notification, add suggest token skill. You can see my balance that I swapped into. And then all you have to do is click add token, and then you will be able to see it inside your MetaMask extension. So right there you can see it. So anyways, that's how you buy the skill token. As I said, if you're completely new to decentralized finance, Binance Smart Chain, and all that stuff, make sure you follow my other tutorials and then get back to this tutorial to see how you can swap. You can see how to complete the last step and start playing Cryptoblades. So anyways, if you found any value in this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews. Else, thank you for watching, have a nice day and goodbye.